And what if your greatest pains were actually doors to your healing? Today, discover how to recognize your inner wounds and, most importantly, how to transform them through a daily act and a powerful mantra. What is a mantra? A mantra is a sacred phrase that acts like a key, repeated every day, morning and evening for 21 days or more. Ideally, while looking into your eyes in front of the mirror, it reprograms your mind and heart. It reconnects you to your true power. Rejection wound. If you often feel invisible, as if your presence disturbs others, or if you feel like disappearing, then you are probably carrying the rejection wound. To heal it, each morning, look at yourself in the mirror and offer yourself your most beautiful smile. Mantra: I deserve my place. I am worthy of love and existence. I love myself and accept myself exactly as I am. Abandonment wound. If you're afraid of being alone, always seeking the presence of others, or fearing that you'll be left behind, it's the wound of abandonment that is expressing itself. Every evening, write down one thing you did for yourself, just for you. Mantra: I am always present for myself. I no longer abandon myself. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Injury of humiliation. If you often feel shame, apologize too much, or fear being judged and ridiculed, you carry the injury of humiliation. To heal it, dare to tell the truth or express a need without excuses. Mantra: my voice has value. I deserve respect and dignity. I love myself and accept myself exactly as I am. Injury of betrayal. If you have difficulty trusting, want to control everything, or feel constant suspicion, it is the injury of betrayal. Every day, make a simple commitment to yourself and keep it. Mantra: I can trust myself. I am my own pillar. I love myself and accept myself exactly as I am. Injury of injustice. If you are very demanding, perfectionist, and do not dare to show your flaws, then the injury of injustice accompanies you. To heal it, each evening, thank yourself for 3 qualities you embody. Mantra: I am enough as I am. I live in balance and fairness. I love myself and accept myself exactly as I am. Did you recognize yourself in one of these wounds? Then start today. Practice your act, repeat your mantra, and let healing take hold. Remember, transformation comes from repetition. Subscribe for more personal development tools.